And so there's going to be 4 types. The first type is secure attachment. Oh, we all love that. Secure attachment is amazing. It's the healthy attachment. Couples have awesome communication and, healthy love. And actually 50% of the population, which surprised me when I did the research, has secure attachment. And I think it surprised me because, we don't see a ton of securely attached couples in our practice, but my gosh, do they end up leaving? Building secure attachment, which is why we're doing this entire podcast series, because we want to help you understand what securely attached relationships are and how to help you and support you in getting there. And then the other 3 types are all listed under insecure attachment, right? So insecure is anything that is not secure. And we have anxious attachment, which I believe that's 20% of the population. We have dismissive avoidant attachment, which is 25% of the population. And then we have fearful disorganized attachment, which is about 5% of the population. Again, in our second part of this, we'll be going really deep diving into all of these and what they mean and how it looks like in childhood and how it shows up in your adult intimate relationships. But for now, those are the 4 categories we're going to talk about and get deeper into part 2. But we've kind of detailed what secure functioning looks like in adult relationships. And it's like you just said, ability to regulate emotions and feelings in the relationship. You're great at bonding, opening up to and trusting others, because there is that sense of trust, like I will be taken care of. Knowing what you're about in life and what purpose you want to fulfill. So right there, I hear healthy sense of self, right? For both people. You can communicate your needs effectively, just as you said. You feel like you have an impact on the world around you. So you're this empowered, important person in a really healthy way because you were so valued by your caretaker or those that were around you. And so you feel like you really do have an impact on this world. Comfortable with closest and mutual dependency. Like, right? How many couples are like, I don't need anything, I'm good. Like, no, like having a secure attachment means like we have mutual needs and I can be dependent on you in a healthy way and you can be dependent on me in a healthy way. That's healthy. Not trying to figure this all out by ourselves. You're actively seeking and providing emotional support to your partner. Instead of like, go figure it out on your own, that's a you problem. You're working as a team to figure out what is happening. How can we support each other when life gets really difficult instead of getting off the team? We're on the same team. We're constantly reminding couples of that. You're on the same team, guys. You want the same thing. You're comfortable being alone. This is important. Comfortable being alone and using that time to explore. Individuality. A lot of couples with insecure attachments feel like they're either codependent, they've lost their individuality in their relationship. Now they feel resentful. Secure functioning couples are able to have their own thing that they do, their own friends. It's okay. And then they can come back into the relationship as well. So they're able to keep that individualistic piece of themselves.
And they have healthy boundaries around that.
Yeah. And then the strong capacity to reflect. Oh, this is huge. Sorry. Oh, the strong capacity to reflect on how you are being in a relationship, right? Again, couples, individuals with insecure attachment, it's the other person.
Yeah. It's that accountability that's like, it's such a process to help couples to get to that place of self-reflection and seeing their own stuff.
Someone who has a secure attachment is like, did I just hurt you? Help me understand what just happened. I'm going to really try harder to do better next time. That was not my intent. We have to coach couples over and over around this because taking accountability is such an important part of healing and becoming secure functioning in your adult relationship. So that is what secure functioning looks like. That is our goal for every single couple that listens to this or that comes into our center and for our own relationship.